Now the time has come for us to change our psychology, to change our mindset, and we should make, like, there are a lot of uneducated shopkeepers, or there are vendors who only see the day of the day. Means what is their thing? Day of the day is they earn today, they leave today. But if you can convince them that yes, you take paper and wrap into the plastic, wrap paper and throw the plastic out, it is up to you to get it done. I as an MLA can only tell you, when you as brand ambassadors can go ahead and do it in your own level. So I request you, the same way how you are distributing today's paper bags, that we should also tell people, the people who venture into, see today if I go for a shopping and if I don't carry a bag, I will ask them to give a plastic bag. But if we force people that no, if you don't have plastic bag, we'll just wrap in the paper and give it to you. You carry your own things outside to your bag, to your home bag, then automatically people will be forced to come with bags, cloth bags or any other bag where they can take this material and go home. So this is what you have to tell, that once we insist on these people that no more plastic bag here. Either you take in a paper or you take in this paper bag, or you carry a cloth bag from home and take your things. This is what we should insist. So I request you all as youngsters, because see, youngsters, you will also grow old, and down the line maybe when you take this thing to your heart and you convince people that we should not use plastic, and even if we use plastic, we should use plastic in such a way that is biodegradable plastic. So if you start convincing people, down the line you will have, like how we have 33-36% of green cover all over Goa, is the highest in the state of India. We will be the only state with your help where we will be able to convince people that we should not roam with plastic.
NSS unit of Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce, KP, doing this mission by plastic for last 4 years. This is the 4th phase. Now we got the motivation from the Swachh Bharat mission, then Narendra Modi ji has said, the Nital Goe project in the Goa, and in the Curchorem, KP and Sangye areas we are doing in association with the different important citizens. Now we have made more than 4.5 lakh paper bags so far. 4.5 lakh paper bags we have completed. It is a continuous process. Students are still doing. Now by the end of the next 2 months we will get again 1 more paper bag. So this is a continuous process in the Government College KP. We are trying our own best to replace a small extent the plastic bags by the paper bags. We know we cannot remove the plastic forever, but still we have to make our own efforts to minimize the usage of plastic. For that reason, this is the idea given by our Principal, Director of Higher Education, Professor Bhaskar Ji Naik, that we should replace the paper bags, from the plastic. So we are trying in different sources to give. Definitely we believe that plastic can be replaced in case of certain places like flower markets, or you can say the pharmacy. There is a good project is going on. Now we are done in the KP, Sangye, and we are doing now in the Curchorem. This is the 3rd time we are doing in the Curchorem. Earlier when we did, Alina Madam has appreciated this project. We got the great response from the students. Every year our students make lakhs of paper bags.